Two leading website builders. One burning question, which platform truly stands out? On one side, the industry favorite, Wix, and facing off, the streamlined challenger, Zyro. We're testing them where it counts: ease of use, customization, features, pricing, and more. Let's forget the hype and dig into the details that matter. Each round collects points, and by the finale, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I've mapped out all the categories that really matter when you're choosing a website builder. So we're talking price, ease of use, features, design flexibility, mobile optimization, SEO and marketing, and finally, integrations. Basically, if you've got a question, we've got you covered. First up, price. Honestly, this is the deal breaker for a lot of people. So Wix does have a free plan, and the paid plans are pretty flexible. But, you start adding stuff and things can get kind of pricey, especially if you want those cool add-ons. Zyro, though, is no joke when it comes to budget. Their base cost is lower, and they always seem to be running discounts. The trade-off. Yeah, you get fewer features on those cheap plans. Still, if you want the most for your money out the gate, Zyro's got the edge here. Now, let's talk about how easy these things are to use. Both are actually super beginner friendly. You really don't need to be a coding wizard or anything. With Wix, you get that classic drag and drop action and tunes of templates. The catch? If you want to get crazy with custom stuff, there's a bit of a learning curve. Zyro's whole vibe is simplicity, and the AI tools kinda do half the job for you. Downside is, if you want to tweak every little detail, you might feel a bit boxed in. Honestly, ease of use is a tie. Seriously, you can't go wrong with either if you're just starting. Honestly, ease of use is a tie seriously. Alright, deep breath, let's get into features. Wix is just like Feature City. App market, e-commerce, bookings, blobs, automation, you name it. Okay, yes, some stuff costs extra, but still, there's so much you can do. Zyro keeps it more basic. You get simple e-commerce and cool AI tools like writing and logo generation. But third-party apps, not so much. If you want power and flexibility, Wix is the clear winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Wix has powered over 220 million websites worldwide? Yeah, that's a lot of sites. Kind of wild how many people are using it, right? Design flexibility is next. So this is all about how crazy you can get with your website's look. Wix gives you total control, move stuff wherever, add advanced designs. Honestly, it's a designer's playground, but don't get overwhelmed if you're new. Zyro? Super modern and clean. Really easy to make something that looks pro, but their templates can feel a little locked in. So if you're the artsy type or just picky, Wix is the winner on this one. Okay, mobile optimization. You know this is huge. Everyone's on their phone nowadays. Both Wix and Zyro actually do a great job here. Wix lets you preview your site on mobile and tweak as you go, which is cool, but sometimes you have to step in and fix little things. Zyro is all about auto optimization, just set and forget. But if you want to get super granular with how your mobile site looks, you might find Zyro doesn't give you enough tools. But overall, they're neck and neck, calling it a tie. SEO and marketing time. Wix gets pretty serious here with a built-in SEO wizard and integrations for marketing and tracking your analytics. So if you want to drive traffic and don't mind a bit of setup, that's pretty awesome. Zyro, on the other hand, well, it's way more automated and simple, but it's kind of basic, honestly. Not a ton of tools for real growth. This one, gotta say, Wix walks away with the point. Last up, integration. This is super underrated until you need it. Wix comes through with like hundreds of integrations, payments, CRM, analytics, you name it. Some premium stuff costs extra, yeah, but the options are wild. Zyro has basics for social media and analytics, but there's no real app marketplace. If you need your site talking to a bunch of other tools, Wix crushes it here. If we put all that info into a chart, you'd see Zyro lighting up the cost side and Wix basically dominating everything else, especially when it comes to features and flexibility. So, I'll be real with you. If you want max control, loads of features, and the option to grow your site into pretty much anything, Wix is going to be your new best friend. But if you want to spin up a site quickly for cheap and you love that AI-assisted simplicity, Zyro's absolutely worth a look. For most creative projects or small businesses though, Wix just gives you more wiggle room to play. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next tech face